Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to show you about makpac DTW300RTJ. This model Impact Wrench 18 volt, the new model with set in the box. 18 volt 5 ampere battery, 2 units and 1 charger. My team will open the box and check the battery and also test impact wrench. Okay, let's start. He will open the box one by one to show you. In the box, this is the warranty card with serial number and also leaflet about 18 volt battery, 5 ampere 1 unit, can use more than 270 tools. And this is instruction manual DTW300, DTW301. This is instruction about charger. In the box, 2 battery, 1 charger, and also the model DTW300. New battery from the factory, not yet checked, so do not test it with the motor. Please use other battery before you check. You have to use the battery in the box before you check. Do not test it because it can make it over the check. So I take another 1 battery, 5 ampere, already charged full, test with this motor. Okay, it's good. So test, charge the battery. Keep it here. Okay, charger. Mũi đi. Okay. He open another box. This is the new battery. Okay. Take out the plastic and check the battery. I check the battery to show you, so after that I will keep it in the box. That's why I do not take this one. If you use it, please take this one out and extend or make it. Do not use like this. It can burn. Okay, one more box. So this plug have only 2 ports. I will go to other place to check. Okay, move. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you have any comment or want to see any model, please let me know by comment below. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.